What's up, everybody? It's Aaron from AR Customs here in the garage in the shop with my beautiful wife Stephanie. Say hi. We are doing rear drop shackles on my 17 Duramax. I already started and I remembered I had to take a video for you guys. So I'm gonna start right now. I have to cut that upper pinch weld on the frame, on the bed. That way I can take this bolt out, jack up the axle, and have enough clearance to slide the upper bolt out above the frame rail. So that's where I'm at right now. Got both wheels off, got my jack stands underneath the front shackle. So I'll be back in a little bit. I had to wind up loosening the back two bed bolts to be able to get enough clearance to get the top shackle bolt over the top of the frame rail. Didn't have to pull the hitch like most people are saying, but our old shackles are out. That's how much clearance you had to get that top bolt over the frame rail, even though you cut that pinch weld. There's the new drop shackles. We'll be putting in 1 and 2 inch. Of course, we're going to go 2 inch. Why would you only do it for 1 inch? Stop. Make sure you read those first. Just kidding.
I think you need to read them. You may need to, but
I may need to. Okay. Hold on to that dream, baby.
I'm holding. I'll never let go.
Never let go. Right. Come down with Jack.
Are you posing for me?
Come down with Jack.
Sorry, y'all, I ain't got no haters. All I got is most haters. They love my style, so I don't know what you're talking about. Sorry, y'all, I ain't got no haters. All I got is motherfucking players. Keep money in motherfucking legs. Sorry, y'all, I ain't got no haters.
And we're all done with the drop shackle installation. You see the new shackles back there. We're on the upper hole. So I had to notch the bed. Not that bad of a install. Let's go wait for the wheels to get here on Wednesday. Put the wheels on it. See where we're at for height. See if I need to raise the front end some to get the stance I want and get the alignment. That's where we're at for fender well, to the bottom of the fender well to the ground before. So we're 2.5 inches higher in the back, so that 2-inch shackle should bring us pretty close to level. Keys are almost all the way down in the front, so I'm gonna have to bring those up anyways after I get the wheels on, because I'm gonna have to chop the bumper and the valance to clear those 2212s. And I'm gonna go ahead and get my rake and get my front end brought up a little bit before I chop it, so I know how much I have to chop. Then I'll have to do the NorCal mod on the back of the fender. That cut right there, bring that in 1 inch. Nothing like chopping up a 2017 Duramax. We'll see you guys next time. Peace. Guys, here we go. So there's the final measurements before and after. Looks like about 1.5 inches. Front stayed the same. 1.5 inches on passenger rear and 1.5 inches on the driver rear. We'll see if it'll sag a little more once we drive it a little bit. I just put the factory wheels back on it because, like I said, the 22s won't be here for about 2 more days. So instead of tying up my shop with the truck waiting for wheels, I'll pull it back out tomorrow and wash the Maxima and get a bunch of stuff ready for work. But that's where we're at on the drop. Looks a lot better. I'm gonna bring the keys up. The keys are all the way down right now. I climbed into there earlier. So once I get the wheels on it, I'll see where I want it. Bring up the front a little bit and then get it aligned. So until next time, see ya.